I remember when I was still in college, I had the lowest baon, which was 20 pesos. And simula nun, sabi ko sa sarili ko, yung dati, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung magiging niche ko kasi I was very confused. But, binigyan ako ng idea ng isa sa mga former workmates ko na eto dapat mong gawin. Different women. These women inspired me as a mom, as a person, as a netizen. Through that branding, hi everyone! Merry Christmas in advance. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa atin. Di alam ko napaka-challenging ng taon na to pero nandito pa rin tayo. We stay optimistic and we stay resilient sa lahat ng mga nangyayari. So this year, eto medyo kakaiba yung vlogmas natin compared with last year's. Inline pa rin siya ng ating branding and niche kasi mag-i-interview po tayo ng different women. These women inspired me as a mom, as a person, as a netizen. Basically, this is still interviewing people kasi that's what we love doing. We love to talk to people. We love to know their stories. Mag-i-interview tayo ng iba't ibang babae pero apat parehong tanong lang yung itatanong natin sa kanila. To give you an idea kung ano yung magiging tanong para sa kanila, uunahin ko nang sagutin yan. So first question, how do you empower moms through your branding and niche? I've been active sa social media. Matagal na ako active sa social media since gumawa ako ng Facebook account. But I'm referring dito yung pagiging mommy blogger, and content creator ko online. Yung dati, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung magiging niche ko kasi I was very confused. But, binigyan ako ng idea ng isa sa mga former workmates ko na eto dapat mong gawin kasi eto ka dati. Dapat ipagpatuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo. That's why, recently, when the quarantine has started, nagkaroon tayo ng revamp. Lahat ng social media channels natin, sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa YouTube, yung ginawa natin, Mompowerment, Momversation, and Mom Lifestyle. Pinagpatuloy natin yung passion natin sa pag-i-interview, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina. And through this, I am giving moms the information that they need. Hindi nyo nakikita sa vlogs ko yung mga personal life na namin, unlike before na pinapakita ko. So this time, medyo na-lesson na yun. We are more on bringing or giving you the information that you need. For example, we have Dr. Mata, we have Dr. Kusi, Dr. Quasito, and all other the resource speakers and guests na kailangan natin for a certain topic na magiging beneficial din siya sa inyo. And I am very happy kasi it turned out very positive. Maraming nanay yung nag-express ng kanilang gratitude kasi yun yung naging content natin at nakatulong yun sa kanila as a mom and as a wife or kahit sa mga anak nila. So, Momversation naman is basically yun yung ginagawa ko when I started being active in creating my own group. That's the Lifestyle Moms PH. And recently ko lang yan ginawa in October. Naging okay din naman kasi naging active yung mga mommies doon sa ating Facebook group and I am very thankful for that. Kasi napaka-supportive nila. Ine-express nila dun yung kanilang mga thoughts and concerns and lahat-lahat na. And also, mom lifestyle. We should not forget that aspect as a mom blogger or mom vlogger kasi lahat ng mommies deserve natin yung tinatawag na me time. So, ano ba yung lifestyle ng pagiging mommy? Hindi lang naman puro pag-aalaga ng bata, di ba? We also have our me time and we deserve that. Everybody deserves that. Kailangan natin ng me time. So to give you ideas on what's the latest, ano yung brands na hiyang for me that might also be good for you, yun yung ginagawa natin under our branding and niche na Mom Lifestyle. So this year din, we also changed our name from Kangaroo's Pouch by Ara Casas Tumuran at ginawa na lang nating Mommy Ara Casas Tumuran. Kasi, through that branding, mas nagiging consistent tayo na more on motherhood, mompowerment, momversation, and mom lifestyle, yung mga nakikita natin sa ating channel. It turned out good, but it would not be possible without, of course, the support and love mula sa mga mommies na sumusubaybay sa ating channel. Ayan, masyado nang mahaba. Let's proceed with our next question. What is one learning experience that you had as a child made much impact on you? I grew up in a family na hindi naman mayaman. Sa totoo lang, I remember when I was still in college, I had the lowest baon, which was 20 pesos. And simula nun, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I really have to work hard to earn, to save money yung saving money talaga yung tumatak sa akin. And walang nagturo sa akin yan, walang nagsabi sa akin that I should save money. Ako mismo, na-learn ko siya mismo from myself that I need to save money para may makukuha akong pera in case of emergency or in case na may mga gusto akong bagay. And that's what I am doing now. At kahit kaya na, ginagawa ko rin siya. Actually, lahat ng mga earnings namin from our racket, even from Daddy B-Boys, naglalaan talaga kami ng savings. Ibinabangko namin yan sa savings account mismo ni Yana. Third question. As a mom, name top 3 things that you love using for your child this year. Gustong-gusto ko yung Pampers ever since talaga. Pampers na si Yana. Number 2 is hair accessories. Ayan, hair accessories in particular. Kasi Yana has a long curly hair. The Cetaphil lotion. Apply lotion after taking a bath. Kasi toddler na si Yana and pawisin masyado kasi super laro ng laro. So, she needs to smell fresh and at least may protection sa skin niya. Actually, partner yung Cetaphil and Bambini. Isahin ko na lang yan with the third most favorite thing for her. Kasi mabango si Yana pag naka-lotion and nakapag-cologne siya using Bambini. Number 4, what is your Christmas message to parents who are watching this video? Sa lahat ng mga parents na nanonood nito, moms and dads, of course, parents, huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Medyo challenging yung Christmas natin this year kasi nga, this is the so-called pandemic season. Nobody wants this. But of course, we should not think that we are stuck at home. Instead, we should think that we are safe at home. Pasalamatan natin this year na safe tayo. We are still with our family and friends. But still, we are thankful that they are safe, they are healthy, and patuloy pa rin tayo na maging resilient. Another message also is that etong pandemic season, uulitin ko, this year has really taught us to save money. Save money for emergency fund, save money for the rainy days. Hindi natin alam. Hindi natin to in-expect na hahantong sa time na magka-quarantine tayo. At masasabi talaga natin na March, April, yun yung mga months this 2020 na among the worst. Marami ang nagutom, marami ang nawalan ng trabaho. But doon natin na-realize na kung gaano ka-importante mag-ipon ng pera. Simulan natin yan sa pakonti-konti. 1 peso, 5 pesos, 10 pesos, 20 hanggang 100 per day. Those are the 4 questions na sasagutin din ng ating mga content creators, influencers, vloggers, and bloggers na mag-guest dito sa ating VLOGMAS. Deep in my heart, I am really, really thankful for this year. Thankful for all the people that I've worked with. Thankful for all my friends, new friends that I've met. And I'm thankful for you who is watching this. Once again, please don't forget to follow us every day, to watch our Vlogmas every day. I'm going to upload it every 6 p.m. from December 1, starting today, until December 25. See you tomorrow for our second Vlogmas episode with Mommy Princess Velasco.
I wasn't really planning on weaning him, but 2 of my friends who just gave birth na nagta-tandem feeding ngayon, sabi nila, "Sis, may time ka pa." So, ako, ang advice ko sa'yo bilang kaibigan, kung gusto mo talaga i-wean mo na si Milo para hindi ka mahirapan. So, I talked to my husband about it and we finally decided na, sige, i-wean ko na lang. Kasi ayoko nang lumagdag sa stress na yung kakapanganak mo lang and you are pressured to continue tandem feeding. It's a choice. And I wanted to try it because I've never tried it with Kobe and Milo before. But we decided, and also my husband encouraged me din. Siguro para sa kanya, para less baliw ako after ko manganak. So, ngayon, I'm in the process of weaning Milo now.
Ayan, I hope na mag-cooperate naman si Milo
Yes,
para di ma-stress si Mommy Princess. Ayan. Mommy Princess, eto, next question tayo. What is one learning experience? Miss Universe to What is one learning experience that you had as a child made much impact on you?
As a child, parang I've always felt like I was parang medyo older, I guess. Kasi I have 2 kuyas, pero they are like 10 and 9 years older than me. And I have, yung bunso namin is only 1 year younger than me. So, para kaming 2 batches. So ako yung parang panganay dun sa second batch. Although I have kuyas, parang may generation gap na kami.